Here are our top 3 recommendations for camping in Mount Dora, Florida. Mount Dora is considered to be one of the top small cities in all of the state of Florida to visit. It's an incredibly charming place. It's known for its downtown shopping, its antique stores, the incredible restaurants that it has. They have festivals that go on downtown throughout the year. Also, they have waterfront parks that you can visit. You can even walk to their famous lighthouse. They have the Lakeside Inn, which is the cute yellow hotel, the oldest hotel that's operated in the state of Florida. And then they have incredible tours that you can take out on the lake. Here are our top 3 suggestions for camping when visiting Mount Dora, Florida. Coming in at number 3, Wekiwa Springs State Park. Plenty of campsites at Wekiva. It's only about 30 minutes into downtown Mount Dora. We've done a complete review of Wekiwa Springs. We'll put that link down in the description so you can check it out. Coming in at number 2 would be Kelly Park, just about 25 minutes outside of Mount Dora. It's a county park in Orange County, Florida. This is one of the most underrated parks in all of the state of Florida, and we also will put the link for this video review that we've done for Kelly Park down in the description also. And our number 1 suggestion for camping in Mount Dora is Trimble Park. Trimble Park is an Orange County park, and it's only about 10 to 12 minutes outside of downtown Mount Dora. It has incredible lakefront camping sites. There's about 8 sites that face the water. Site 11 is our favorite. They even have boat slips, so if you bring a boat and you want to pull it around to your campsite, you can. And they have wonderful walking trails, and it just feels like old Florida. It is incredible. Trimble Park. Here are the incredible views from that Site 11 that we mentioned to you. We have a sunset shot, and the morning sunrise was incredible as well. We hope these suggestions help you plan a camping experience to go out and explore Mount Dora, Florida. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Leave us any feedback in the comments. We love your suggestions. Or if you have tips in Mount Dora for others, please put them down in the comments. That would be great. And most importantly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and come along for these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.